Okay, welcome. So today we are installing these light reflectors and the LED light reflectors on a 2016 Sequoia. As you can see, Toyota, they put these ugly reflectors that don't do anything, right? Now aftermarket you can buy these lights, and basically I'm gonna guide you through the installation, and once everything is installed right, then you'll be able to have brake lights like this. Piece of advice: these lights, I don't think that they can handle a dual voltage. So connecting it to the night light, the daylight driving power, and also to the brake light, I don't think that that's a smart idea. So I'm gonna call my losses, and I'm gonna basically use it only for brake light to extend the brake light that we have here, so you can see it on the top and you'll be able to see it on the bottom as well. Let me guide you through it. Okay, so this is what it looks like now installed. Basically, let's go over into what just happened and what we did. Okay, you can see it right here, the cable, the little cable, then went from the bottom of the light up through here. I just fished it through there, and then I pull it up in here, and the cable is going right here into this section here. I connected it, spliced it, and connected it to the brake light. Only connected the red and the black wires. I did not connect the white because like I said before, these lights are no dual voltage, so I don't want it connected to the dual light, to the brake and the late daylight driving lights, because I think that the light will just fuse out. There's $7 lights on eBay. So basically you don't need to take anything out. As you see, the Sequoia has two plastic panels, this one and this one here. You gotta remove. In here, basically you gotta remove the block. There's a rubber block like this one, right? That goes down here, okay? And there's a plastic piece. This plastic piece then goes in here to guard this. And if you see it from behind, it has 3 plugs that need to be pried out. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. You got to be very gentle with that. You don't want to break this piece. This piece is about $30 if you go to the dealership, so don't break it. Tools that you need. This is an amazing tool for you to get. This is for plumbing, but they sell it at any Walmart. And when you do it, basically, I just basically put it through here. I just perfect fit. Just put it through there, and once down, I pretty much just open it, grab the cable, pull it in, and then pull the tool back up. And that's how I fished the wires. And then I did it again when I put it through here, and to pull it up in there, and then basically just splice it and connect it. That's it. The part is simple. Figuring out which wire is the one that obviously trying to figure out which wires are the ones connected to what is really what's going to from underneath. This is what it looks like. That's the new light. You need a 10 millimeters deep socket to unscrew it. You see the little grooves on the bottom? They're perfect for you to put the wire through and then flush the light all the way in. And with that tool, that plumbing tool, I actually just pull it down and grab the tip of the wires, and that's basically how I pull it up. So nothing to do here. Basically just install and screw it back in and make sure that it's good, and then Mainly the pain in the ass is the connection. After that, they look great, beautiful. Hope you enjoy this.